Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Acura Nsx. Begin by blocking the main silhouette with simple shapes to map proportion and perspective accurately. Next, place wheel centers and roofline markers, then refine the hood and greenhouse. Work from large planes to smaller details while keeping lines confident. Finish by erasing guides, adding light shading for form, and checking proportions before moving to final inking or color. Start with light construction lines to establish perspective and the NSX's low, wide stance, then block primary shapes like wheels and roof. Map the side character line and major vents, using simple arcs to simplify complex curves. Refine the front fascia and wheel arches with confident strokes, checking symmetry and proportions as you go. Keep adjustments subtle and patient so the overall shape remains accurate before adding finer details. When adding details, prioritize the NSX's signature features like the front splitter, side intakes, and rear diffuser, keeping shapes crisp and readable. Lay in light guides for lights and vents, then refine inner edges and trims. Choose a simple light source and block in main values, then add midtones and highlights to suggest curvature and reflections. Use varied strokes to indicate materials and polish, ensuring values remain consistent across the whole car.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.